What is up, YouTube? Thanks for coming back for another video. This is just going to be a short update because, right? So there won't be any mowing this week, but we just want to give you an update, let you know what's going on. So I am in Myrtle Beach this week for Memorial Day. I know it's a little bit late, but happy Memorial Day. We had a long drive yesterday, and over the weekend I visited a cousin in Lexington, North Carolina. So shout out to Forsyth County Sheriff's Department in North Carolina, and hung out with my cousin for a couple days, and then made the drive over to Myrtle Beach. We will be here for the rest of the week. We'll see how tall my grass is when I get back, because I threw down that Carbon X about a week and a half, 2 weeks before I left. Didn't get to mow the Friday before I left, so I got a feeling when I get back my grass is going to be about 5 foot tall. We'll see, but I'm willing to bet it's going to look good. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll give you an update on the backyard, the front yard, and everything else is going on.